Hey, it's Nay and this is Vlogmas Part 5. So right now we're headed to this place called Sweetwater Nutrition. Basically it's a smoothie shop, but everything they have on the menu tastes like exactly what it says it's gonna taste like. So if you get peanut butter and jelly, or if you get cookies and cream, or banana split or something, it tastes exactly like the real thing. So for me, this place is like Starbucks. You know how people gotta go to Starbucks every day, or at least a couple times a week? If my budget allowed, I would be in this place every day because their smoothies are that good. Thank you. So I ended up getting the Butterfinger, which I always get. So it literally tastes like melted Butterfinger ice cream or something. And then she put the Butterfinger toppings on top. And then I also got a frosted berry loaded tea, which their loaded teas have protein in there. So I'll drink that one after the gym. Both of these came up to right around $15, which I think is a steal because you go to Starbucks and pay $8 for one drink. You try to get 2 drinks out of Starbucks, that's $20 before tax. And this was $15 after tax. That's why I can't stop going back. It's such a good deal. So now I'm about to take Benny for a walk so I can get some of this energy out of him before we completely lose sunlight. Walking down the street, walking Benny. Benny, you're so cool. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm walking with Benny. He is so fly. And I am so lucky that this dog is all mine. Benny, I'm looking at you from the bottom of my eyes. I can see you now. You're stepping so high and you're blowing my mind. This is what happens when you let me get too much fresh air. Am I walking Benny or is Benny walking me? Just got out of the gym and now I need to pick some things up from Target. So let's see what we can get into. You know, one year these folks are gonna figure out that we're tired of only being offered red and green family matching sets. That's why I never got any. Oh snap, they got matching pajamas for your dog. Now, I can get down with this. This is cute, but Benny would have a fit if I tried to put some pants on his back legs.
These come with pants.
What is this? Slay what? Y'all, they got the matching slay what slippers. Magically Merry gifts. Yo. What is this?
Max, come here.
Ooh. That smells good. You know what? Kind of like this disco ball pillow. It's only $10. That's not bad. Something over here smells good. Ooh. Y'all, them candles might be a hit. I always like walking up to these impulse sections that they put up for the holiday season because they always seem to be filled with things that nobody really wants. They got the Where's Waldo pajamas for $25. Good grief. Uh-oh, satin pajama set. How much they want for this? $25? Man. I guess I could have saved myself some time, huh? Oh, well, those are nice. Ooh. I'm almost scared to see the price on this. I was right. $35. Man, Target. So now I'm over in the men's section, and I actually think that these gift sets right here are a good idea. You get, what is it? A mug, some socks, some crew socks, some boot socks, and a beanie. And this is only $20. So I would probably pick this up as like a white elephant or Secret Santa gift for somebody. Now, one thing that I have not seen on sale in all my Christmas shopping that I've been doing in the last few weeks is this PS5. For the actual console, the slim version, the lowest price I've seen is this $424.99. Crazy thing is the shelves are still filled with these because nobody wants to pay that. And then when you look at the games available for the PS5 are no different than the ones for the PS4. Somebody send this to PlayStation and tell them they got to do better. I guess I should have said Sony, huh? Now, board games, on the other hand, these sales are outstanding. If you want Candyland, it's usually $8.99, now it's $4.50. You know what? Maybe we as a people need to move back to playing in-person games with each other. If you're in the market for an ice bath, Target has one. It's usually $59.99, now it's $49.99. Oh my gosh, y'all, instead of gingerbread houses, they have gingerbread trucks and barns, a tree house, but then you can even build a Target store. I may have to do a gingerbread house building revenge video this year, because if you've seen last year's video, Publix did me dirty. Yo, you can build a whole village. We should have came here last year. Y'all, I think I just ran into a section with the perfect stocking stuffers for the women in your lives. Look at this. Ariana Grande perfume. A sampler. I actually have this one. That one smells really good. And it's only, oh snap, $48. That ain't no stocking stuffer, that's a gift. I think all these might just be gifts. Yeah, but these prices, these ain't going in no stocking. $29. Well, I found the perfect holiday gifts for the women that you actually care about in your life. Or if you're trying to stun on them at the Secret Santa. Let me go on and get out of here. I done walked around here for about an hour, and I'm walking out with 3 TV dinners. So when I got back to the house, I was greeted by my last and most exciting Black Friday purchase, the Echo Show 21. Let's open up the box and check it out. Ah, they got me. You've got to be kidding me. What happened to the Echo Show? I'm just kidding, y'all. We already put it up on the wall. But this wouldn't be a true day in the life vlog if I didn't share the unveiling with y'all. It's beautiful. So for comparison, if you're interested in getting the Echo Show 21, this is the 15, and this is the difference in the size. So if you're hard of vision or you just want to have a big TV sitting on your wall, I would definitely recommend that you get an Echo Show 21. So we watched several video reviews before our 21 came in the mail, and there were a lot of people who said that this Echo Show 21 was pixelated and it was reflective and it wasn't responsive. But if you ask me, this Echo Show 21 puts the 15 to shame. So if you happen to run across a good deal on an Echo Show 21, just go ahead and make the purchase. So to conclude this epic vlog of randomness, epic Vlogmas vlog of randomness.
Yeah, true.
Come join us while we try to open up our inflatable, it's not inflatable, what is it?
The mattress.
Our Amazon mattress. This thing got 5 layers and it's all wrapped up in plastic wrap in this box. What would you call this? Like, what is it? I guess it's vacuum sealed?
Yeah.
Vacuum sealed mattress.
Well, we're gonna see.
Well, I'm hoping that it's nice because when we went to the mattress store, they talked about this mattress got 5 levels. There's a cooling level, there's a copper level, and all these levels. This mattress had the same amount of levels for like a third of the price of what they wanted for some of those mattresses.
That's in the box.
This thing is huge. So one of the things that they did say on the Amazon reviews was make sure you have it on the bed when you open it up, because apparently it's about to get real when this plastic starts breaking away and getting air into it. Also, side note, this is not my first Amazon mattress. So I have high hopes.
I'm nervous.
I think I seen a video where somebody cut the mattress open and it flung them across the room or something like that.
We're gonna see.
Oh. Maybe we should turn it. That plastic you're pulling is all the way over here. I hear it. So this ego, this is the bottom.
Okay.
So
Okay. Maybe it.
it's right.
Good to me.
So I'm gonna put the product information for this mattress on the screen so y'all can see exactly what I bought.
Careful.
Uh-oh. You know what? Did I ever hit record? I did. Okay.
We gotta get it out.
This thing needs some handles. Alrighty. So what they said was, you have to leave this here for 2 days before you can lay on it. How's it feel?
It's all right. 2 days. Yeah, that's not bad.
Not bad at all. Oh.
I guess got 2 days to get even better.
This is outstanding.
Yeah. Just we'll wait and see.
I'll see y'all tomorrow.